So guys, in this video we are going to talk about this Nikto web vulnerability scanner, and this Nikto tool will scan the web application for any vulnerabilities and already discover the CVEs. Okay, now let's get the manual page or a simple help page, and this is Nikto minus help. And you can, the most important thing is you need to set the host and you need to set the port, and that's it. It will do everything for you. And you can also output to a file, and you can also disable the SSL, and disable the 404 check. So if there is any directory that gives you 404 error not found, it will not check for that. I mean, it will not show in the display. And you can also use SSL, and you can put the timeout, and you can update this, and you can also print out the banner or the version number. So let's say Nikto and -h. Previously we had done this against this 0.102. It has some web server Apache running on it, and we need to specify the port number, that is 80. You can see target type is this one, host name also the IP address, and the target port is 80, and that date and timestamp. As you can see, it has telling me that server is a Apache 1.3.20 and a mod SSL version is 2.8.4. Server may inodes via etags, header found with the file slash. So you can also see the anti-clickjacking X-frame options header is not present. So you can insert an iframe into your own website which is linking to this website. So this clickjacking might occur for this website. So that is one of the vulnerability. And you can also see XSS protection header is not defined. So you can just you can say that this is good place to start searching for XSS vulnerability. And you can see it is also telling that OSVDB and Apache is vulnerable to XSS via expert header. And also it's telling that OpenSSL this version appears to be outdated. So if I go to Google and type this OpenSSL 0.9.6b vulnerabilities, and I can get some of these exploits, I can use them on a server. And you can, in the same way, mod SSL and the Apache. And it also telling me that allowed HTTP methods are get, head, options, and trace. We can pretty much see this output we got from the Nmap scans. It also we also got from HTTP NSE scripts. Without using those scripts also we got from the Nmap. And you can see these are our OSVDB CVEs, and you can just it's assuming that since the version number of Apache is 1.3.20, so they may be vulnerable all to this vulnerabilities. So you can see HC host, the server installs allows reading our system by adding extra slash to the URL. So you can, if you add the extra slash, you can read the host file, and you can also pretty much anything on the system. And you can see there is a web directory indexing form. If you go to this IP address /manual, you can get the directory indexing, and you can check the files in that manual directory. And for the icons folder also we have got the directory indexing, and this is just readme file and test.php. So we need to just look at this test.php, and here we got some WordPress content. You can see themes, WordPress themes, and WordPress JavaScript files, and so on. So as you can see here, 8724 requests are sent to this web server to get all this information. So you can see, you can say that Nikto is pretty much noisy, or you can say that if there is a web application firewall, it may just alert the administrator that we are getting so many requests from single computer, that is our computer, from the Nikto application. So that's why if you have only the permission to do the web application assessment, then only you need to use this Nikto. Even the Nmap also, I forgot to say that even the Nmap makes so much noisy. So only if you have the permission to pen test the network, then only you use the Nmap. Otherwise, even though with the stealth scans, your IP address may be compromised. So that's why always have the permission to do the pen test, and then only use these tools like Nikto and Nmap. So that is all pretty much about this Nikto tool. All you have to do is -h host and the -p port, and it will enumerate this web application for you, and it will tell you all the information that it gathers. So that's all for this Nikto web vulnerability scanner. It is very much helpful in the web application assessment, and I hope you have understood.